All right, so we're on a job today. Customer called, the whirlybird blew off in a windstorm. So I've gone up and I've put it back up and put a garbage bag and taped it up to get us by until I could replace it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna replace both whirlybirds with these replacement cap ones. So they are galvanized right now. So I'm gonna get up and just spray paint the base, rip off the old whirlybirds, and get these caps put on. Okay, so these are the galvanized. This one's still on there, but you can hear it clicking. And then this is the one that blew off in the windstorm. So I had to put it back up and tape it. So I'll get this off and I'll show you how it broke. Okay, so you can see that it just snapped right there, both those. So what we'll do is we'll take these screws off, make sure the other one fits before I do anything else, and then I'll spray paint the galvanized, put these new lids on. Okay, so they fit pretty good on there. So I will cut out some cardboard to protect the shingles, and I'll get these things spray painted up and then get these things installed. Okay, so I got both of the bases painted up here. I'm just gonna let them dry. I'll take all the garbage down. There's the one, there's the other. So I'll just let that dry just a little bit, get this garbage off the roof, and then we'll get these caps put on. Okay, so I'm all done. Now, if you saw, these things only came with 2 screws per cap. Now that's not efficient, so I put 2 more on each side, so there's 4 in each now, all painted up black. I mean, they look pretty good for just a quick replacement. All right, guys, I'll get tidied up here and get out of here. They're good to go now.